All right, go ahead, jog it out on the spot. And now high knees, get those knees up, land on the balls of your feet. And now butt kicks, heels to your butt. And sprint as fast as you can. And now jumping jacks. And squats. And now arms, circles. And the other way. All right, that's good. You can grab a quick drink of water, and I'll explain what we're gonna do. So 2 exercises back to back for 1 minute each, and then 50, then 40. First one we're gonna do is sumo squats. So wide stance, turn your toes out, and we're gonna go full range of motion, all the way down, all the way up, and then halfway you're gonna pulse. Okay, so full range of motion and pulses, half and half. And then the second exercise, we're gonna do deadlifts, Romanian deadlifts. So just bend there, push your hips back, bend just a little bit at the knees, and come down just past your knees. All right, ready, set, and go for it. So sumo squats, all the way full range of motion. Keep that wide stance and go full range for now. Try to keep your shoulders back as much as you can. And now pulse it out, 30 seconds, now stay down and just pulse. Again, try to keep those shoulders back so you're not hunched forward, too far forward. And just bouncing there from that position. You have 10 seconds. 10 seconds, stay with it, stay in it. All right, that's good. Now deadlifts. So now you need 2 dumbbells. You're gonna push your hips back and just come down. Keep the dumbbells close to your body, just past your knees, and then thrust forward at the top. Squeeze your glutes. Right, ready, set, and go for it. Start by pushing those hips back. Come down. Should feel a stretch in your hamstrings. If you don't feel it, you need to push your hips back even further before you come down. That's 30 seconds. Looking good. Nice and slow, slow and controlled. Perfect. Keep going just like that. Last 10. 2 more. Nice and slow. All right, that's good. 30-second break, and we'll go back to the sumo squats. We'll go full range, and we'll go pulsing, half and half. All right, so grab your just one dumbbell for a sumo squat, and we're gonna go full range of motion. Ready, set, and go for it. So 25 seconds, full range of motion. Wide stance, toes pointing out, shoulders back, so you're not hunched forward. And try to get full range. And now pulse it out. We're halfway there, 25 seconds. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Stay low. Try to make it burn as much as you can. Try to stay with it the entire time. Last 10. Stay with it. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 2, 1. All right, good. Now grab 2 dumbbells. And we're going to go into the deadlifts. Okay, ready, set, and go for it. Deadlifts. Push those hips back. And come down nice and slow. Keep the dumbbells close to your body. Slight bend in the knees. And just go just a little bit past your knees, depending on how you feel. If it hurts to go too far down, then don't go that far down. That's 25 already. 25 to go. Last 10. Couple more of these. Couple more nice and slow. All right, good. Little break, and then we'll do those one more time. Each of those one more time. So we're gonna go in 10 seconds. So the sumo squat first, 20-second full range, 20-second pulsing. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Sumo squat, full range of motion. And now halfway, stay down low and pulse it out. 20 seconds to pulse. Last 10, stay with it all the way. Nobody quits, nobody comes out. All right, good. All right, now grab your 2 dumbbells. Get ready for those deadlifts. Last one, 40 seconds. Ready, set, and go for it. Deadlifts, nice and slow. Push those hips back, get down low as you can go, as low as it feels good on your lower back. That's 20 seconds left now. And 10 seconds, 2 more, super slow. All right, take your break, water break. We're done with those 2. So the next round, we're just gonna do one exercise. We'll go 1 minute on one side, 1 minute on the other side. So you just need 1 dumbbell. We're gonna do a side lunge, step out to the side, and then you're gonna go into a curtsy lunge. Okay, so side lunge, into a curtsy lunge. We'll do the one side for 1 minute, and then we'll do the other side for the second minute, and then we'll keep going 50-50, 40-40. All right, ready? So 1 dumbbell, side lunge, curtsy lunge combo. Ready, set, go for it. So step out, and then cross behind. Good, good, looking good. Step out as far as you can for that side lunge, and then wrap behind. Just take your time until you get the hang of it. Good. Looks like everyone's got the hang of it. Looking good. Ten seconds. 10 seconds left on this side. Then we'll do the same thing for a minute on the other side. All right, all right. Now we're gonna go the other way, other side. Ready, set, and go for it. Good, good. A little bit of thinking this way. That's 30 seconds. 30 seconds to go. Keep moving. Side lunge and then curtsy lunge. Last 10 seconds. Last 10. See if you can get 3 more of these full reps in. All right, that's good. 30-second breather, and we'll go through that again. 50 seconds on each side. All right, so 10 seconds, get your dumbbell, get ready to go. So back to that first side, the side you started on, for 50 seconds. Ready, set, and go for it. Good, already past halfway on this side. Everyone's moving well. Should feel this in the inner thighs and the glutes mostly. Inner thighs for the side lunge and the glutes and the curtsy lunge. 5 seconds, at least one more, maybe 2. All right, and now we're gonna shift to the other side, working the other side. Ready, set, and go for it. Other side now. That's 25. That's halfway through this. Almost done this side. Now the last 10 seconds. Finish it off. 10 seconds to finish. Little break, 30-second break, and we'll do that again each side for 40 seconds. All right, so grab your dumbbell, go back to that first side, 40 seconds. Ready, in 3, 2, 1, go for it. That's 20 down, 20 seconds to go on this side. Keep moving all the way out of those side lunges and all the way around your curtsy lunge all the way around and all the way down. Just under 10 seconds now. All right, that's good for that side. Now we'll go to the other side. Ready, and go for it. Other side. That's 20. 20 to go. 20 to go, then we're done. Done with the legs. Last 10. Give it a few more. 3 more of these. You can do 3 more. All right, that's good. All right, take your water break. All right, so the next round we're going to start with static bicep curls. So that's with the one arm at about 90 degrees and the other arm curling. Okay, like that. You can do 5 and then switch every 5. Okay, 5 reps and switch it up. And then we're going to go into bent over flies, reverse flies. You can hold it this way, you can hold it overhand, whatever you want. Or if you have a band, you can use your band and do the pull apart that way. Okay, so we'll start with static bicep curls and then reverse flies or band pull aparts. Okay, ready, set, and go for it. So one arm static, other arm curls. Do 5 and switch. Switch it every 5. Good. Keep that arm, the one arm that's not moving, keep it the elbow off your body if you can, so it's not resting on your body. So you keep that tension on the muscles. It's already 30 seconds. As we get closer to the end, just make sure that you keep the reps even on both sides, whatever side you started with. You want to finish with that opposite side if you remember. Just 10 seconds now, 10 seconds left. All right, good. All right, now bent over flies. You can hold neutral grip or you can hold overhand grip for these if you're doing the dumbbell version. And if you have a band, you're just standing and doing the band pull apart. Okay, ready, set, and go for it. Good, looks good. A little bit of dumbbells, a little bit of bands going. Either way, you're gonna light the rear delts up in that upper back area. That's 30 seconds. Another 30. Keep it going. Last 10 now. 10 seconds. Should be feeling something by now. 2, 1. Okay, 30-second break, and we'll go back to those bicep curls, the static curls. All right, so 10 seconds. We'll go back to the static bicep curls. We're switching every 5 reps. Ready, set, and go for it. So one arm holds, the other arm curls. Switch every 5, and light those biceps up. That's halfway, that's 25 5 seconds, up 25. Should be on fire now, your biceps. Now 10 seconds, 10 seconds. A few more of these curls, maybe 5 more. All right, good. And now the bent over flies or the band pull apart. Okay, ready, set, and go for it. Bent over flies, band pull aparts, whichever version you choose. That's 25 seconds, 25 to go. Last 10, last 10. Give me a few more. Two, one, okay, relax. 30-second break, and we'll do that again once more. And then we're done with this. All right, so grab your dumbbells for the bicep curls, the static curls. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Static bicep curls. Forty seconds. 40 in, or 20 in, 20 to go. Last 10, last 10. At least 5 more curls. All right, that's good for those. And now the bent over flies or the band pull aparts. Ready, set, and go for it. Bent over flies, or grab that band and pull it apart. That's 20 now, 20 to go. After this round, we'll focus on the abs. Just the last 10, last 10. All right, take a break, water break, and we have one more set, one more round. So next round, we're gonna start with Russian twists. So Russian twists, you can use a dumbbell, you can have your feet off the ground, or you can plant your heels on the ground. Okay, you want to get all the way across as far as you can. If you don't want to use a dumbbell, just use your hands to come across. All right, so heels off or heels on the ground. And then we're going to do crunches or sit-ups. So weighted sit-up like that, or you can do just a weighted crunch. Okay, so Russian twist and sit-ups or crunches, weighted or not, either one. Ready? Set, go for a Russian twist. So come across as far across as you can each time. Try to hit the floor. Try to really twist. And if you can't get as much range of motion with your heels off the ground, then put them on the ground so you can get more range of motion. If the weight becomes too difficult, too heavy, then just drop the weight and continue on without any weight. Okay, 15 seconds. 15 seconds left for these Russian twists. 2, 1, all right. Now sit-ups or crunches with or without weights for this one if you want. It's up to you. Ready, set, and go for it. So full sit-up or just a little crunch. Whatever feels best for you, whatever you like better. That's 30 seconds. That's 30 done. 30 more. And now 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Make sure you're in. Make sure you finish it up. All right, that's good. 30-second break, and we'll go back to the Russian twists. All right, so Russian twist in 10 seconds for 50 seconds. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go for it. Good job. Remember, all the way across, as far across as you can. Twist as much as you can. Get that range of motion down. And we just have 20 seconds now, past halfway. Last 10, last 10. All right, that's good. And now the sit-ups or the crunches, weighted or not. And 3, 2, 1, go ahead. $25 done, 25 to go. Keep going. If you can't get the sit-ups in, do the crunches. Last 10, last 10. 3 more sit-ups or maybe 5 more crunches, depending which one you're doing. All right, that's good. 30-second break, and we'll do each of those one more time. And then we're all done. 40 seconds each. All right, so Russian twist coming up in 5 seconds. Ready, set, and go ahead. Russian twist for 40. That's 20 to go. 20. Keep going. If you need to rest your heels on the ground, rest those heels on the ground, whatever it takes. If you need to drop the weight, drop the weight. 10 seconds to finish. All right, good. Now sit-ups or crunches. Last 40 seconds. Ready, set, And go for it.
They both got the same area.
Not the exact same. 20 done, 20 left. Last 10. Finish it off. Almost there. Finish strong. All right, all done.